Right, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today's video is a little bit of a shorter video for a Wednesday, and the reason being is, well, you'll see in the video why, but I just wanted to make this video to show people from our point of view as plumbers, bathroom fitters, heating engineers, any sort of tradesman that doesn't rely on other trades but have jobs where other trades have to come in, i.e. doing bathrooms like I'm doing at the moment. I've got a plasterer coming in, a carpenter coming in, a tiler coming in, an electrician coming in. So you have to schedule it all at the right points, otherwise it's a knock-on effect for everybody else. And you'll see in the video what's happened. It's thrown this job off ever so slightly. It's no fault of anyone's, it's just something that happens that has a knock-on effect, and me, who's overseeing it, it really plays on my mind because I'm one of these people that I like stuff to go in order that it's meant to go. So hope you'll find this video interesting. It is very much a bit of a dive into real world plumbing and the stresses of it and how it can escalate. Also, while I'm here, I've had loads of people new to the channel, new subscribers, which is great. So quickly introduce myself, because someone put in one of the comments the other day, they commented and went, but I don't know your name. So I'm Mark, owner of MJTIFF Plumbing Heating. I've had the company for 16 years, I think now, as a sole trader in this business. So, and I did apprenticeship before, so I've done 25 years in the trade. So yeah, I'm Mark. This is my channel, Real World Plumbing. For all those people that are new to the channel, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and let's get on with today's video. Drop a comment in it and let me know if you've ever had the situation that we're in, how you've coped with it and what you've done, and does it play on your mind, and etc, etc. So check it out. Hope you enjoy it. It's just a little bit short for a Wednesday, and I'll catch you soon. Right, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all well and good and had a good Jubilee weekend off, and maybe a little bit of a break and whatnot. So we're back on this job with bathroom number 2. As you will be well aware, we're halfway through it. I think the last video was getting the boxing done and getting ready for the plasterers to come in to get the walls skimmed, boarded, ceiling overboarded, everything like that. So this is where we are at the minute. There's not a lot going on. Plasterers are meant to be in, doing the walls, boarding here, overboarding the ceiling, as you're well aware. So unfortunately, this is one of them times where something's happened plasterer wise and he can't get here, and it's a knock-on effect with the other trade. So it's not the plasterer's fault, it's not Scotty the plasterer's fault. He's ill. He texted me Monday morning and said, sorry mate, I'm not going to be in today. So he was penciled in Monday and Tuesday to board this out, board the ceiling, prep the walls, skim the walls, completely re-skim the room. Monday, Tuesday, and then the tilers were in possibly Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Thursday, Friday to get it tiled. It's only been half height tiled and the floor. So, not a problem. Monday morning, Scotty's messaging me, sorry mate, I've been ill over the weekend, I'm still ill, I won't be in today. It should be all right for tomorrow. I was like, right, okay, not a problem, it is what it is. It's out of his hands. So I've messaged Tyler and said we've had to shift back a day. He's gone, right, okay, let me know. So I've come to the job yesterday and told Stu and Lou whose job it is. Now they're great, they'll be watching this, so you're great. As customers, you're great. They are great. The fact they've gone, not a problem Mark, it is what it is. Don't worry, we've got the other bathroom that you've done that's amazing. So we've got that to do. We've got that to use. I'm like, brilliant, okay. So a little bit stressed, but sure we'll be fine. Message plasterer during the day. He's still a little bit ill. He said hopefully should be alright for tomorrow. Anyway, so then fine, that day's written off. I've been and done other bits. So hopefully he's in the following day. I've got up last night during the night, checked my phone, it's like 3:30 in the morning. Plasterer's messaged me, look mate, I'm still ill, I'm not going to be in today as well. I'm like, shit. So that was 3:30, so I didn't sleep then because I'm stressing, thinking, need to get this done. So it is what it is, whatever. So I've come to the job this morning, spoke to the customer again. They're good as gold. Look, it is what it is. But for me, it stresses me out. I'm like, need to get this done. You know, I hate being off on the timeline, if you know what I mean. If you do bathrooms, you know everything has a certain time slot to fall in and work, and it just throws it out. So I spoke to the tiler now again, because I don't want to mess him around. I've gone, look, fill the rest of this week. If I can have you Monday, Tuesday next week, hopefully that will get enough time for Scotty to get in this week and get it done. Touch wood. You know how superstitious I am. So that will give him time to get in this week. But I just wanted to do a quick video about it, because this is what people don't see, is the little tiny little cogs in it that if one of them goes awry, i.e. that tradesperson can't get it, whether it be a plasterer, tiler, electrician, you, whatever, or me, or something happens beyond your control, you've just got to try and cope with it, deal with it. It is what it is. Speak to the customer, explain it to the customer, so that they're aware that you're not, you know, trying it on or whatever, and just go from there, really. So yeah, that's what that is. You know, bit of a rant. It's not really a rant. It's me just telling you exactly some of the pitfalls. It's just me sort of saying, look, these are the issues that people don't see. It's not just going to do this job, going to do that job. Everything's fine. You know, we've all done it. We've all gone to the merchants to get a fitting that 9 times out of 10 they've got on the shelf and it's there and it's not a problem. Whereas the one time you absolutely need it, A, you can't find it in the van, B, the merchants haven't got it, and C, it just throws your head away and you end up all over the place. So when this finally gets done, I'm going to have to do some probably longer days or even a weekend to get this in, to get me back onto my time frame of where I'm at, because in 2 weeks' time we've got installer. Hopefully it'll be done and dusted by 2 weeks' time, but we've got installer show, so I'm off on the Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. I'm not working. Obviously I'm there, so if you are going to install a show, Wednesday I'm there with Snug Underfloor Heating on their stand, just giving a bit of advice to people, a bit of real world experience of fitting their product, and I think they're doing giveaways and competitions and there's freebies there for everyone. So if you're around, so if you're at installer on Wednesday, come and say hello to me. I'm probably milling around Tuesday, doing some bits with other company, Spirotech, doing a bits with Spirotech, and I'm at the Merit Awards in the evening. So yeah, so that'd be good, which again, this is me being able to do that is off the back of this channel. So thank you to everyone who's liked, subscribed, you know, supported the channel from the start. But I appreciate it massively. So a big thank you to everybody for that. So yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to put something out there and let you know, there's no plumbing in this week's video, but it's all part of the day in and day out of real world plumbing, as I've always said. So hope you found this half interesting. If you haven't, sorry. If you have, great. It is just an insight into the stresses of trying to run, you know, a job like that. You know, this is relatively small in the grand scheme of things, relatively small, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm a little bit stressed out. But hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop me a comment below. Let me know if ever you've been on a job or whenever you've been on a job and something's gone wrong and it's gone absolutely tits up. Let's hear your little stories from that then. So I'll leave you to it. I'll go and finish pulling whatever I haven't got out, and I'll catch you soon.